Moment of truth. Let's crack this motor open and see whether we've got something we can work with or a $1,600 paperweight. Motherfucker. There we go. Let's call it a day. Job done. Oh, that's good. Finger tight. Gotcha. We don't need this where we're going, baby. Fuck. Alright guys, well that's a wrap. I want to take this opportunity to thank Jad's Automotive for jumping on board with the build. Shed's first sponsorship, which is cool. Anything mechanical related, they're the go-to. We'll be seeing them throughout the build. Again, thank you. Follow along, like, subscribe, all the rest of it. See you on the next one.